Kani gadega Pati CTV.
Henin kasngi kan reutrek ujilio kawai ne Seng san partai kejela ka Bharatiya Janata Party Meghalaya State Unit kalashim yakarai ban Pynkylla no Nongïalam hagi district baper kamtam harilom Garo kontop ru yaki president dangshen arngot ki Nongïalam bahakmat narilom Garo kle kamno na Seng BJP halal kanong rem kajingkhang shodo ikimasi taka sarkar NDA na Port Delhi habakran ha kajelang bat kinong pathai kubor u president ke BJP hakani kejela u ba shibon lingdo ulaong ba kajing Pynkylla Nongïalam harilom Garo hi kalong na kabenta ban Pynkhlaiñ jusho ya kajing trikam jong ka Seng BJP na kabenta kajing Pynkhlaiñ ru ya ka election house nam ahasa khat prabanwan.
The 3 years achievement of the NDA government sabke sath sabke vikas. We are going to have a program in every district of the state. On the 10th, we are going to have a program in Nongïalam, West Jaintia Hills. On the 13th, we are going to have a program in Maukarwat. On the 17th, we are going to have a program in Southwest. On the 13th, we are going to have a program in Sora.
No, you said 13 Maukarwat.
No, 17. 17 it's Maukarwat, and 13 it will be in Karosla, in Sora. Now we are trying to bring people who will work for the party. I'm not saying that those who are with us or who have resigned from the party, they did not work for the party. They have done their work up to their maximum capacities, but the party feels at this juncture we need to streamline the party so that we are to prepare for it. Now the party feels that we should reshuffle and face the election. That is a normal procedure.
Kani gadega Pati CTV.